Imagine showing all your projects, past, ongoing, and upcoming, on one beautiful, interactive map. Clients instantly see your creativity, your scale, and your professionalism. Not just what you've done, but where you've worked. From one neighborhood to multiple cities, your map showcases your reach and builds instant trust. But the reality today, if you're an interior designer, you already know how much effort goes into every project. And when it's time to showcase your work to clients, it often ends up here on WhatsApp. Images in one chat, floor plans in another, drive links somewhere else. And when clients ask, can you share all the project pics? Or do you have something similar? You're left scrolling through endless WhatsApp chats, drives, and even your mobile gallery, searching and repeating yourself, tracking projects, done in spreadsheets, managing tasks, done in separate apps, and the result? Confusion, wasted time, missed opportunities. Introducing MAPOG, your all-in-one visual platform designed for interior designers. Now, every project you've ever worked on can live in one beautiful, interactive map. Showcase your portfolio with project details, images, and descriptions. Style color-coded icons to mark completed, ongoing, and upcoming projects. It not only looks impressive, it makes project tracking effortless. And because the map shows your work locations, your clients instantly know your scale of work, your presence, and your credibility. It's a networking advantage built right into your portfolio. Share a single link with your client, and they see your work beautifully presented. No drives, no folders, no lost images. And the best part, when you update a project or add new images, your client sees it instantly, without asking again. MAPOG isn't just about showcasing. It also helps you manage and track your projects in one place. Assign tasks to your team members. Track project status, pending, ongoing, or completed. Share private access with your team, so only you and your team member knows exactly what tasks have been assigned. Team members can update progress themselves. And here's another advantage: past client maintenance. Your map keeps a record of all your previous projects. So when you're visiting a site and remember, I had worked just a street away, you can instantly open your portfolio on your phone, pull up client details, and even sort the map to see all your past projects nearby. With one quick call, you can follow up, check in, or offer maintenance services. That's not just service. It's building long-term trust and repeat business. Tired of sending 20-plus images on WhatsApp? With MAPOG, just share your portfolio link. Your client gets all project details, images, and updates in one clean presentation. No confusion, no endless scrolling. And you can even embed your portfolio map directly on your website, so leads can explore your work instantly. Clients love the clarity. Your team stays organized, and you save hours of back and forth, all while looking like the pro that you are. With MAPOG, you don't just design spaces, you showcase your scale, manage your projects, maintain client relationships, and grow your brand effortlessly.